Yes, Kondan. Now, in my last class, I discussed cost sheet. If you could remember, you were there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, what you have understood regarding that cost sheet, you just tell me.
Sir, cost sheet, sir, there is at first in the cost sheet we should do the written the opening stock, then the purchase comes, and also purchase inward and purchase outward are also there, and sales, then comes sales and sales inward and sales out.
Basically, just a minute. I have shown you the format of cost sheet, isn't it? And you have understood that format. So far, I
Yes,
could
sir.
understand. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
basically today I will start with simple cost sheet, means plain cost sheet. Today
Okay.
I will teach you plain cost sheet, simple cost sheet. And if time remains, I will teach you the cost sheet with FIFO and LIFO. I don't know about your friends why they are not joining, because say you have to appear for the exam and exam will be based on pen and paper base. So you need to solve those problems. And in this practical question, either you know or you don't know. There is no in between. You agree with me or not?
Yes.
Because no one will
Yes,
come
sir.
to help you. You will help yourself. No one will be there
Yes,
to
sir.
help you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So without wasting any further time, let us start with my class, and I will show you I will start with a basic cost sheet problem. So pay attention on the screen. I am sharing the screen.
Okay. Okay.
And if anybody join, you just let me know. Okay? Konon. If
Okay.
anybody join, you let me
Yes,
know.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Now can you see the screen? Tell me. I am just zooming it in so that you can see. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
So basically, this is a cost sheet, and it is not a say cost sheet estimated type or cost sheet based on FIFO and LIFO. It is a simple cost sheet. So under simple cost sheet, we basically need to recognize that which item would come under which head, and accordingly prepare the cost sheet as per the format. Okay. Now,
Okay.
first, material used on job. Material used on job, it means the raw material consumed. Got it? And it is a direct material because it is directly related to that job. You agree with me or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Next comes wages traceable to job. You tell me whether it is a direct expense or indirect.
Wages. Sir, this is a direct expenses.
Yes, direct. Good. Wages paid to main on maintenance work. Wages paid to main on maintenance work. So what type
Yes.
of expense this would be?
Sir, this is the indirect expenses.
Good, good. Excellent. Salesman salary. Under which head it would come?
Sales.
Just think. Don't be in a rush. Think and just tell me.
Salesman salary. Income.
Just think. Because in practical problem you need to think. Don't rush in or don't be in a haste. Otherwise you would make a mess. You would make some mistake. Salesman salary. Salesman salary, as the name suggests, it would come under selling and distribution expenses.
Selling and distribution expenses. Okay.
Next comes director's fees, under which head it would come.
This is also the sales and distribution expenses.
Think. What you are saying, what is in your mind, you are not saying it. Director's fees. Directors means the head of the office, and it will come under office and administration.
Office and administrative overhead. Office and
Yes, yes.
administrative overhead. Yes.
Next comes carriage inward on raw material. Carriage inward. What does carriage inward mean? Tell me.
Carriage inward on raw materials.
What it means? Basically, I just the meaning, the literal translation. If I want to translate it, what it means?
Mr. Carriage is coming from.
Yes, means you are paying carriage to bring raw material to your factory site. So,
Yes.
what type of expense it is? Direct or indirect?
Sir, this is direct expense.
Yes, this is direct expense and it would be added with material used on job. Because if there
Material
is no opening stock of raw material or closing stock of raw material, had there been any opening stock of raw material or closing stock of raw material, we would have we would have followed that format. That is, opening stock of raw material has add purchase of raw material, add carriage inward, then less closing stock of raw material. But here there is no question of opening stock of raw material or any item relating to raw material. The only thing that is given is material used on job. It means the raw material consumed, and we need to add this carriage inward on raw material with material used on job. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, factory rents and rates.
Sir, Shodmishta is there
Just a minute.
and
Just a minute. Orgo is there. Shomisha is not there. Orgo
okay.
is there. Tell Shore, yes, Shomisha is there. Just a minute. Okay. All of you, please mute yourself and what I am saying, just follow it. Next, factory rents and rates. Under which head it would come? Tell me.
Factory overhead.
Good. And is it a direct expense or indirect expense?
Factory rent and trade. Sir, I think sir, this is the indirect expense.
Good, excellent. You have gone through the notes, I presume. You have understood the concept. Work salary. Under each which head it would come? Please mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself, or otherwise I have to mute you. Work salary.
Works cost, sir.
Works cost. Good. Then hire of crane for job number 132 means this is the job. So what would be the nature of this expense?
Crane or job number.
See, a
Sir,
crane is being hired to do the job. So had there been no crane, it would not have been possible to execute the job. So is it a direct expense or indirect expense? Tell me.
direct, sir.
Good, excellent. Next, consumable store. What type of expense it is?
Consumable stores. Sir, I can't understand this
Consumable
consumable.
store means the store that is being used in the factory. Stores means parts and other materials. Okay, so it
Okay.
is a indirect expenses. Under it will come under factory cost.
Okay.
Then depreciation of plant. Under which head it would come? Depreciation of plant.
Depreciation of plant.
Yes. Think. Shormisha, any idea? Shormisha? Depreciation means you are using the plant and it has been depreciated. I taught you what does this depreciation means in your during that account classes. So depreciation you know is a wear and tear of asset. So depreciation of plant will come under factory overhead. Then
Okay.
depreciation of delivery van.
Depreciation of delivery when insurance of finished goods.
Delivery van is used for what purpose? To deliver the good to the customer.
Yes.
So it will come
Yes.
under selling and distribution. First you need to
Selling and
analyze the expense under which head it should come. Use your brain and mind to see what type of expense it is and then you put under the appropriate head. Okay. Next comes insurance on finished stock. Under which head it would come?
office and administration.
No. Finished goods means just the word is finished good. Finished goods means the good that has been finished. And you are using finished goods to sell. So insurance on finished
Selling
goods
and
will come
distribution.
under selling and distribution.
Selling and distribution.
Next comes lubricating oil.
Lubricating.
Under which head it would come?
This is from lubricating oil.
Lubricating oil is used for the smooth functioning of the machine. So it will be under factory and overhead. Factory
Factory
overhead.
and okay.
Then comes bad debt. Now use your brain. You know the concept of bad debt I taught you during account classes.
Yes.
Then what would be the nature of this bad debt and under which head it would come? Any idea? Any one of you? Can you please tell me under which head it would come? See, bad debt is basically a financial expense. So, as per say accounting procedure and costing procedure, these are two different things. Under costing, we prepare the book to ascertain the costing profit, and under financial statement, we prepare the book to ascertain the net profit, which is as per financial procedure. So bad debt will come under financial statement, but not in cost sheet. You can make a note, say bad debt is a finance expense, it won't come in cost sheet. Got it? Got it? Have you understood this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then commission to salesman, under which head it would come?
Yes, sir. Commission of salesman's salary and distributor.
Again, you
Sales
are
to
you are in
distributor.
a haste and you are making a hasty decision. I am using the term salesman. So under which head it would come?
Yes.
Selling and distribution, isn't
Commission to
it?
sales.
Selling and
Yes,
distribution.
sir. Selling and distribution. Yes.
Next comes cost of idle time in factory. Idle time means it is the normal idle time. And if there is a term called idle time, if it is a normal time idle time, if it is under factory, it will come under the factory overhead. And there are two ways
Factory
to
overhead.
yes, you can treat it as a two way. Either you can ignore this expense or you can take it under factory overhead if idle time is related to factory. Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Then comes auditor fees, under which head it would come. Auditor, what does auditor do?
sales and
It
distribution.
again you are making a mess. Auditor checks the books of account. Auditor means the chartered accountant who checks your who just check and examine your books of account whether it is as per accounting standard or not. And auditor's fees will come under office and administration overhead because it is for the office for the smooth administration of the office. You need to do this audit.
Okay, okay, sir. Now I can understand that. Yes, yes.
Then comes
Okay.
dividend paid.
Yes. Dividend paid.
Under which head it would come? Just think, use your brain.
Mhm.
Dividend paid means you are paying dividend to shareholder. It is a finance expense, it won't come in cost sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
lighting of showroom. Lighting of showroom. Under which head it would come?
Lighting of showroom. Sir, this is not come in cost sheet, sir.
It will come. Lighting. Lighting is there. For say to sell the finished product, you have gone to various showroom, isn't it? Say big showrooms are
Yes.
there. Say you can say showroom of Godrej, showroom of Nokia, showroom of Samsung, and lighting expense is there. It will be under selling and distribution
Okay. Okay.
because lighting is required to be to decorate your showroom so that you can sell the product.
Official and expense.
Next comes office salaries and expense under which it would come.
Official administrative overhead.
Good, good, good. Lastly comes income tax, under
Income
which
tax.
head it would come.
Sorry, this is income tax.
Income tax is a finance expense, it won't come in cost sheet. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So far, we found income tax, then dividend paid and bad debt. You make a note that these are finance expense and these won't come under cost sheet. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let us see the solution. Direct material you can see we have added carried inward as I told you. Direct wages, direct expense. Prime cost means the total of all direct costs. Keep in mind, prime cost means the total of all direct costs. Direct cost comprises of direct material, direct wages, and direct expenses. Next comes work overhead. Work overhead means all indirect expenses. That is indirect material, indirect wages, and indirect expenses. So all indirect expenses are there, and this I have already discussed. And cost of idle time they have taken. Just see the solution for a
Yes, sir.
minute. Just see.
Yes.
Then comes directors fees, auditors fees, office salaries and expenses. This will give you cost of production. After this, it is work cost, and after this, it is cost of production. Next comes selling and distribution expenses. Under this, all selling and expenses are there, and they have taken bad debt by giving a note, but it is not the proper procedure because this book is a it's a Calcutta based book, and I have used Delhi based books used in chartered accountancy exam. They have clearly mentioned bad debt should not come in cost sheet. Okay, as per the professional exam or as per the guideline of the ICI, bad debt should not come in cost sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Now any doubt?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay.
It's normal
So
procedure.
Mr. Have you seen the solution? So Mr. is there too.
Yes.
I think there is some network issue. Okay. So I will show another cost sheet, and today I will do the basic cost sheet only, and in my next class I will start with cost sheet with FIFO and LIFO. I have posted the note in Google Classroom. You can download the note and see that how it is being prepared. Okay.
Okay.
2 days back I have posted it on Google Classroom. Now see the next solution, next problem. Now can you see the screen? Tell me. Hello, Spamna?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, let me zoom it a bit. Yes, now it is okay. Just go through the problem.
Sir, I can't see the problem, sir.
It is there. You see? Do I need to zoom in or zoom out?
Sir, no, sir. The problem is not on my screen, sir.
Oh, just a minute, just a minute.
I think,
Oh,
sir,
just a minute.
maybe net.
I have not used the present screen. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it will be visible. Now can you see it right now?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I can.
Just go through the problem. Stock of material. Here, stock of raw material is given. Material purchase, bad debt written off. Travelers' salaries and commission. Travelers means they have
Commission.
assumed salesman. Okay, salesperson.
Okay.
Depreciation, rent and taxes, productive wages. Productive wages, actually the definition itself is not clear, but we will assume it is a direct wages.
Okay.
General expense, gas and water, traveling expenses, sales, manager salary. See, in manager salary it is written two-third for factory and one-third for office. Means two-third of this salary will come under factory head and one-third will come under
Factory
office and
office.
administration.
Yes.
Then depreciation on plant and machinery, cash discount allowed. Now what will do with this cash discount allowed? Tell me.
Cash discount
Just think. Don't be in a
allowed.
haste.
Sir, discount allowed.
It won't come in cost sheet. It is a financial expense. It won't come in cost sheet
Cost sheet. Okay, sir.
because there are certain expenses, finance expense, which won't come in cost sheet. Then repair, it will come under factory overview. No, this thing same item.
Yes,
They
yes.
will repeat again and again. Gas and water,
Okay.
it is mentioned clearly. Office stock of material, closing stock of raw material is given is 87,920. Just see the problem. After that, I will start with the solution. It's a simple problem. It's a basic
Yes.
problem on cost sheet. Okay, now let us start with the solution.
Okay.
Now can you see the screen? Tell me. Swanam? Swanam? Yes, Swanam, are you there? Swanam? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Swanam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Opening stock is there. Just follow the
Okay.
format. You need to mark up the format. Opening stock, add purchase,
Yes, yes, sir.
place closing
Yes, sir.
stock, add productive
Yes.
wages, direct expense, so you get the prime cost. Then all factory expenses will come like rent and rate, gas, water, manager salary. Manager salary normally won't come
Okay.
in factory expenses, but here it is clearly mentioned that two-third will be for factory purposes. Okay, so we have factory cost, then
Okay.
office and administration expenses, direct
Non-factor.
general manager salary. All expense will come under administration, and when we add administration with factory
Okay.
cost, we get cost of production. Then we add
Cost of
selling and
production.
distribution expenses, traveler salaries, traveling expense. Traveling expense means is the salesman expenses. Okay. Bad debt
Yes,
won't come. They have repeatedly taken bad debt. So bad debt won't come. Carriage in, carriage outward. It will be carriage outward. I have already
sir.
mentioned. It will come under selling and distribution. So we make a total and we get cost of sales. Sales value is given. So net profit will
Yes.
come as a balancing figure.
Figure.
This is all about your cost sheet, normal cost sheet. Actually, there are three variant of cost sheet. No, one is normal cost sheet, number two cost sheet with FIFO and LIFO, and number three
FIFO
estimated cost sheet.
estimated. Yes.
Estimated cost sheet. I taught you
Yes.
this in my last class, isn't it? I covered
Yes.
this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
this is basically the cost sheet. If you have any question, feel free to ask me.
One second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done. Done. Clear, sir.
So in my next class, I will teach you this cost sheet with FIFO and LIFO. Basically, you can expect problem from cost sheet with FIFO and LIFO and estimated cost sheet. Okay. So that's all for
Okay.
today.
Okay.
Thanks for attending my class. Have a nice day. Okay.
Okay. Okay.